Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So this is part 2 on following your dreams. Okay? So I wanted to give you my own true story. So prior to age 18, I think I was around 17, I had sat down and wrote out all of my plans of what I wanted to achieve in life. And the plans went like this. I wanted to graduate from high school. I wanted to buy a house and have 2 cars and a husband before I had children. And I had planned on having my first child at age 25. Now remember, I was doing this at age 17. So I set out to perform and work towards my dreams. And I did achieve my dreams. At age 22, I had bought my first house. Yes, at age 22 years old. I bought a multi-family house, and I had 2 cars, and I didn't have the husband yet, but I definitely had those things. And the husband came later. And so once I had my 2 cars and the house and the husband and all of that stuff, not the husband, sorry, that he came later, but I did have the 2 cars and the house. In the house I paid for cash, okay. I decided that I was ready to have my child a year earlier, so I had my first child at age 24. So you see, I planned my life and followed my dreams and goals and achieved that, and I achieved it. I thought I would have all that achieved by age 25, but I actually had it achieved at age 24. So I know you're going to say, well, yeah, you was young. Okay, come on now. We can do it no matter what age we are. I don't care if you have a backache, a knee ache, a side ache, you're walking with a cane. I don't care what your story is. You can achieve whatever goals you want to achieve, okay? Maybe my dreams are not your dreams. Maybe you just want to, I don't know, buy a new living room set. Maybe that's your dream and goal, okay? Make it happen. Because you got one life to live, and we don't want any regrets, because we are in control. We are in the driver's seat of the dreams. Okay? Okay, so I have some notes here. Okay? So my question to you is, what's stopping your dreams from moving forward? What's stopping your dreams from moving forward? Is it financing? Is it you have a mate that you think you have to consider your mate, and if your mate says no, don't do it, then you can't do it? You need to think about that, you know, because you may or may not be with your mate forever. Hopefully it'll work out, but that may not be the reality. And you don't want to look back and say, well, Johnny didn't want me to do this, or Susan didn't want me to do that. No, you are in control of you, and you are the one that needs to follow your dreams and make it happen, okay? Okay. Is it your past that's holding you back with your dreams? You know, maybe you had a bad experience in the past. You tried something and it didn't work. You tried a dream and it didn't work. Okay, well, you know what? Maybe you dreamt about having a new car and you lost the car to repossession or something. Okay, it's not the end of the world. You can still start over. You can still get another car. You can still make it happen. Okay, follow your dreams, please. Maybe your health is bad now. Is that the problem? Okay, even if your health is bad, as long as you have breath to breathe, and you can physically use your hands, and you can physically walk, you can make things happen, okay? Don't give up. Don't. And sometimes, you know, maybe you're on disability, And so you say, well, my disabilities, I can't do this, I can't do that. No, you can. You have to do what you can within your means, but you can. You can do something to make yourself happy, okay? Is it me or others that's stopping you? Let's think about that a minute. You may say, well, I can't do it now, I have kids. Try. Please try, okay? I remember going to work, and I had to drop the kids off at the daycare, and it just seemed like a whole lot that you'd have to do in the morning before you actually get to your job, and then you got to do that whole thing again that evening, then come home, cook dinner, get the kids ready for bed and everything. By that time you're so tired, you know, but you still have to figure out, tired or not, you gotta perform your dreams. Make it happen, okay? Okay, maybe you're not doing your dream because you're lazy. What about that, huh? Let's just admit it. If you're lazy, you're lazy, okay? How are you gonna change that? How are you gonna turn that around? Only you can make that happen, okay? No one can make you get up and get some pep in you and get moving. So stop being lazy and make it happen. And yes, I'm not going to say you're not going to be tired at the end of the night. You're going to be extremely tired. But you know what? You're going to feel a good accomplishment. So if you're going to feel a good accomplishment, why not get tired over something that is working for you? Something that makes you happy. Something that's fulfilling you. Your dream. Okay? Dreams are a real guide to your future. Okay? And if you can't dream, what do we have left here? I mean, what really? Dreams and hopes, what do we have left if we can't have that? You know, we're going to have sorrow, we're going to have regrets, we're going to have depression, we're going to have lots of things like that. And do we need that? No, we don't. What we need is to feel fulfilled, to feel happy, to feel like we've accomplished a goal. So please, whatever you do, don't go out of this world regretting that you didn't do this and you didn't do that. Make it happen. You know, I feel like this. If I'm going to go out and do something, I'm going to do something that makes me happy. Okay? And if it doesn't make you happy, then maybe you need to change that routine. Maybe your dream is to move up to get another promotion at work or get another job that will promote you. Well, I can tell you right now, if you want a promotion, sometimes the job you're at, they can't promote you because maybe they don't have the capacity to promote anyone. Maybe you need to leave that job and go get another one. But don't quit that job. Get the other one first and then resign from that job, because you don't want to do it in advance and then you have no income coming in, because that's not going to work towards your dream. Okay? But you move yourself up in that way. Okay? So have the dream that you are going to climb the corporate ladder, or you're going to climb up to the next level by moving yourself up. You know what I mean? Get your resume ready. Have that always ready. And have that on Indeed, so that every day you can get some job offers and you can see what's out there. Because if you don't have your resume ready and you don't have that on Indeed or some job engine, then you'll never know what's out there, because they don't know that you're looking. Okay? They don't know that you dream to move up. They don't know that. So you got to let them know. All right? And let's say that your kids have dreams. Don't crush their dreams. So maybe they want to play soccer or basketball, or they want to be a cheerleader. Help them do that, because what happens when you fulfill a dream, you set the ego up. You set the desire to do things up in somebody's head to the point where they want to do more and more and more. And the more that you do, the more you learn, and then the more you want to achieve. That's the idea, okay? So help your kids with their dreams. You know, if you have older kids and they're going to college or something, you may not have a lot of money to help them financially, but help where you can. You know, maybe you can give them some change once in a while, or give them a gas card for their car, or something like that. Fix them some meals so that they can take back with them, so that they won't miss your cooking while they're there. Help in whatever way you can. Follow the dream. Whether it's your dream or you back on somebody else's dream. Follow the dream, okay? Make it happen, okay? And let's talk about YouTube, right? Maybe you want to be a YouTuber. Why not? You have something to share with the world. So maybe you could consider that, okay? And you can take your dream right onto the camera. You don't have to go anywhere for that. Right onto the camera. And share with the world what you have to offer, because all of us have something to offer, whether it's big or little, whether it's great or small, whether it's something that one person wants to hear and another person don't want to hear. But whatever it is, you can make it happen, because it's all about you and the dreams, you know. Oh yes, it's all about you and the dreams. You know, I can remember when I first started YouTube, my dream was to get 1 subscriber. That was the dream then, okay? Then once I got the 1 subscriber, then I wanted more and more. So I kept setting these goals in my head, how many subscribers I want. And now I don't even set a goal in my head. I just say I want millions. Millions is a lot, so I can't put a number on that. Millions of subscribers, because you know why? I'm trying to reach you 1 person at a time. I'm trying to talk to you from all over the world. That's my dream, to spread my word all over the world, to spread my food all over the world, because I have a message and I have some food tips to share, and I think that I don't want to take that to my grave with me. I want to make sure that the world knows about it, okay? Because what's more important is us sharing with each other. So that's my dream and goal, and I work towards that every day. Yes, I work a job, and I also work the YouTube, but you know, my goal is not so much about what I get from financially or anything like that. I get off on satisfying people. That's my thing. I like sharing and caring and satisfying people. And I love you from the bottom of my heart. I really, really appreciate you guys. And here's a big hug from me and to everybody in my YouTube family. I appreciate you. I love you. I never take you for granted. And I thank you for all of your comments. Oh, they are just wonderful. We have conversations like we're sitting right next to each other. And I like that. And I like the fact that you guys check on me and sometimes put me in check and all of that good stuff, okay? So I love that. And I love the fact that maybe I can bring something to your life as well. So today is all about the dreams. Please, whatever you do, when I finish this video, I want you to share this video with everyone you know. Because a lot of us have stopped dreaming, have stopped living. We've lost our dream, and we need to pick it back up and go from there so that we can see a brighter light at the end of the tunnel. Okay? A brighter light at the end of the tunnel. is when dreams come true. Okay, so give this a thumbs up if you like it. Check out the links below. I have a Patreon and GoFundMe at the on my channel, and if that's something you want to do to help support this channel, I really appreciate that. Okay, it takes a lot to run the channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys on my next video. Okay, alright, I'll talk to you soon. Follow your dreams. Dreams can come true. Okay, alright, thank you. Bye bye.